So now to bag unboxing. It's a bag unboxing. Yeah. My first one. Right, okay. This is it. This big box here. So let me move my stuff out of the way. I actually got something to unbox. Sorry, I'm actually sitting in my home office. This is my home office, my chambers home office. But I mean, I literally do everything here. I've got two sofas in here. I've got one here, which I use to sort of spread out. You know, I use it like a sort of mini table. But sometimes I sit there when I want to be more comfortable if I'm reading a lot of heavy-ended paperwork. And then there's another sofa there, which I'll show you another day, which I generally plonk out on. I generally fall asleep on that sofa. And then I'm surrounded by books and shelves and everything in here. So this will be my mini studio as well, I suppose. Yeah. So, right, now, let's see. I should have organised myself and got some scissors. So let's see if I can get some scissors and I'll come back. Ah! Yes, I got some scissors. And when I'm not sort of out and about going to court and, you know, doing anything formal, I tend to dress very homeware-ish in all sorts of weird and wonderful garments that I've stored up over the time in my closet. So, you know, I'm not wearing anything bougie at the moment, I'm afraid. So, I opened this box. I really like this bag. I saw it on another YouTube channel, actually. And when she was, I can't remember the name of the YouTuber, but she was doing I think it was 5 most used bags or something like that. And I thought, wow, I love the size and I love leather bags. So this is a leather bag. And I thought, yeah, that would be good for work, you know. You can never have too many work bags. So I think actually this goes like this. Now this how it goes. It's like this, you can pull this off. Okay. I think it's meant to sort of just rip open there. Oh dear. And I got it from our website. Ooh. This is nice. This is very big. This box is big. Wow. Coggles. I've heard of coggles before. I'm late to the party. This one, it seems. Let's try it. Just cut that down a bit. I don't want to break my nails. I like my nails being long, guys. Ladies and gentlemen. I do like you know, I do like my nails being nice and long, although they are due for a bit of a cut down. So this is the box. Wow, this is big. It's a big box, isn't it? Hobbles. So you can tell that it's a tote bag from the size of this box, obviously. And some of you may even know the bag if you are aware of this website. It's ooh, that box. It's not as big as the box would have you think, actually. But wow, yeah, it's the I thought it was the extra large one. This one doesn't look like it's the extra large one, but this is the bag. It's by Mansur Gavriel. It's lovely. It's a very nice, simple black bag with. It's got the attachment to it, the coin, the pouch for, you know, if you need to sort of quickly do anything and you just don't want to take a whole big bag, you can just take your pouch. And what I really loved about this was the red. I love the red combination inside. The red contrasting colour. Lovely. Oh, I do like that. It's a lovely kind of boxy leather. So that will get softer with time. And I like that. You will realise that bags is my hobby, actually. And I actually do sell bags as a hobby as well. I collect them and then I sell some. Beautiful bags. But yeah, I like this. And actually, this was on discount. This was on discount. I think the original price was 500 and. Oh, I'll have to check. I can't remember exactly, but it was definitely on a discount. You know, that's a huge box, and it's got a dust bag. Ooh. But the dust bag feels heavier than the bag itself. Gosh. What's this? Mansur Gavriel. It says colour black. Yeah. That's a nice quality dust bag, isn't it? Very nice. Very nice. Ooh. Yeah. So that will fit my MacBook easily with my iPad and various other, a book maybe, you know, and some papers, a small bundle of papers, because it's quite, you know, it's quite wide. It's quite wide, plus my purse. The only thing is, obviously, it doesn't do up. But I do like these open. I like these open bags. I do. I like these open bags. So you can just, you know, put it on your shoulder. And I like red, as you can tell from my lipstick. If it's one thing I will do, it's put on some red lipstick, red nail polish, and that will make me feel beautiful, even if I'm having a terrible day, like my eyes. Yeah. So, Thank you very much for watching this video. For those of you who did take the trouble to click on this video and watch it, and if you liked the video, please do give it a like, and if you think you might enjoy watching more videos, then of course I will ask, please subscribe. You never know what you might get. For now, wherever you are in the world, whatever you're doing, peace be with you.